it's a vibe thing. You like the vibes, yeah, it's a vibe thing. You like the vibe.
So the first thing I'm doing is taking my heat protector and I'm spraying it all over the hair. Now you gotta protect that like it's your own. And then I'm just gonna comb through it to make sure everything is all smooth out. Like so. So now you want to do is separate a section. You're going to go in rows, and each row you're just going to curl basically each row and make sure they're aligned, so that way you can get your ridges in place. I'm just going to clip that away, and then I'm going to subsection and curl each piece. Try to make sure each piece is the same size when you're curling it. So now I'm taking my wand. This is just a Revlon wand. You can use any wand. And I'm taking that piece and I'm just going to curl it horizontally. Just like so. And you want to wrap and twist, so it kind of gets that really pretty wave. And then just hold it in place for a couple seconds, and then you're ready to release. Release it in your hand and hold it there for a little bit, and just pin it up right away. You can let it drop. This is how it looks when it's dropped. And then you just want to pin it up right away so it cools down, and then it holds the curl really well. So after I sectioned another row, I'm going to just do the same thing and go side to side. So just wrap and twist, hold for a little bit, and then release it in your hand and just pin it up. I section off where I'm going to have my part, which is going to be a side part, and everything from that part is going to be curled going down, as you will see me do now. So now I'm on the opposite side of the part, and I'm just curling the hair in the direction of where the hair flows. So curling it down on this side. This is how it looks once you're finished curling. I did take smaller sections. You obviously could take way bigger sections, I don't know why I did them so small. I just stuck with the size I started with. But yeah, you could always do them bigger, but this is how it should look. And you're gonna let it cool down for a little bit and then take out all the pigment. So I'm just gonna be taking out each row like one at a time. So once you take out each curl, you're gonna use a comb. I use a fine tooth comb. I've seen someone else use a fine tooth comb too. You could use a wide tooth comb. I use both kind of. I first used a small comb to comb it out, and then when I was trying to put everything all together, I used a wide teeth comb. So all you want to do is kind of stretch it and just comb it through. And you really have to do a lot of like manipulating and molding so all the ridges are aligned together. Mine was a little bit fuzzy just because I blow dried mine. I didn't flat iron mine, then curl it. I just blow dried it and then curled it. But each one you're just going to take out and then align the ridges and kind of comb it into each other so they mold into each other. The final look with all the ridges aligned. A little bit fuzzy just because it was blow dried, as I mentioned before, but yeah, this is pretty much it. I really love the front with that little big sweep.